world to raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us. We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors. Our family. Nuestra familia. Recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet. Inevitably in life, the accompaniment drops out, and we experience great loss. We find that the melodies we cherish are gone, and for a moment, we are playing alone. But we are never truly alone. Say that so others can hear you.
Oh, now we're in the middle of a rainstorm.
The music we make echoes back at us in chorus.
Huh? So after the great fireworks show that decided to absolutely pour on us, we are now completely soaking wet. They shut the Skyliner down. So we said, hey, since we're here, we're going to come over here and check out the boardwalk and see what they got going on over here. And then we're going to catch a minivan back to the room. Here's the cake bake shop. This is where you can come get the $30 and $40 slices of cake is over here. You have the boardwalk ice cream. This is where you get the kitchen sink ice cream. Do you need a kitchen sink ice cream?
I don't think we could finish it, just the two of us. We need about 4 more volunteers.
4 more volunteers for ice cream. Then they have the boardwalk deli. Ooh, I wonder what kind of deli sandwiches they have. Might have to go over here and take a look. I'm not sure what this is. It's some other restaurant. You got the Abracadabra bar. You can get some blue ribbon corn dogs. So we did find something Tiffany will eat. We're gonna try deep fried Hawaiian rolls. And then there's something there called a golden dragon. I don't know what that is. Maybe we'll look at that too. Here is the deep fried Hawaiian rolls. It's supposed to be like condensed milk on the Hawaiian rolls, and it's supposed to melt and turn all ooey and gooey.
Cinnamon and
So this is what we're gonna be trying tonight.